Hello, my name is Daniel Patton. I'm the superintendent for Skolfield Electrical, and we are here in Oakland, Florida to do a service upgrade. So the first step we got to do is get the power company involved so they could come in and shut down the power so we can move to the second step, which is decom and install the new panels. All right, now that we got the power down by the power company, now we're working on getting all the connections loose, especially on the service wires. Once we get all the service wire, we'll be able to go into the branch circuits, take those off, and also the cans. All the screws, all that stuff will be coming out. At Skolfield, not only we swap out your panels during your power outage, we will supply you with an electric power battery backup for your refrigerator and your equipment. All right, now that the demolition of the old panels has been removed, now we have installed new 150 amp panels, which are running a 4-aught aluminum wire from the meter all the way to both panels. All right, now that we have all the conductors on the panels, now we move into the grounding system of the house, which we installed 2 ground rods, 5/8, and we're running on number 2 solid straight into the main panel meter. From this point on, now we got to call in the inspection so the inspector could give us the release for the meter. All right, now that we have our final inspection for the panel upgrade, now we have the release power, we have power in the service, and this is another successful service upgrade from Skolfield Electrical.